Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to redeem Monopoly Go rewards codes. Alright, first thing you need to do here, to get a reward code, players will need to purchase the new Hasbro and Scopely Monopoly Go board game. Inside the game box, they will find a unique alphanumerical code that can be redeemed on the website for one-of-a-kind prizes, like the Premium Gold Mr. Monopoly Player token. Now once you have the code, just go ahead and open up your favorite browser. It could be on your phone, Windows device, or any other devices that has a browser. Just type in the URL box monopolygo.com/reward code. Alright, and hit on enter. Wait for the website to load. Now once you're in here, there should be a login button right here. Just go ahead and click on it and make sure to log into the account where you want your rewards to be tied. Alright, now once you're in here, make sure that you click on the reward codes tab. And in here, just go ahead and type in your reward code and then just tap and go. And that's basically it. I hope this video helps some, please. Don't forget to share this video to your friends. And if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.